Oh my gosh. Is this from boy to girl? Transgender? Oh, it's extraordinary. I mean, this, I think, like, it's kind of edited. Oh, Korean are really famous when it comes to surgery. Koreans, actually, they don't like this kind of eyes, but they like big and wide eyes. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's totally different. She looks prettier than the usual. I mean, than before. I can see the difference between the face. Looks like square on the left side. Wow! Oh my gosh. How do they make it? Do they really cut the jaw? But it's bone, right? Oh my gosh. It's... the jaw is like on the right side. I mean, it's distorted. But luckily, she has make it right. Wow. Oh my gosh, the jawline, it's totally different. Oh, the eyes enlargement. Wow. Only a little bit of difference, but they really have that problem. Korean guys, they have this kind of problem that they have. Oh my gosh. Oh, grabe. Super, ano na talaga, super haba. My gosh, oh my. Oh, I can't believe something like this is happening over. I mean, she's totally different. Wow, ang guwapo. There's no more pimples and stretch marks. Wow. I mean, she's that kind of transgender effect. After, the jawline as well. I mean, the jaw. This is the jaw, right? So, they have very long jaw. They don't like it. Square face, that's the problem. And enlargement of another eyes. Oh, super exaggerated. This really looks like... is it really true? Oh my gulay. It's like... I remembered Ai de las Alas, the most famous actress. And after, she looks like Sensai or Korean superstar, pop star model. Oh, the facial structure, the shape of the face from square to oval. Oh, the shortening of her forehead. And so, as tempting as it is to make plastic surgery to help us improve how the way we look, but this video might help you think.
So I had the surgery, and then I remember waking up in ICU several days later.
The intensive care unit.
Yeah, I was in a coma.
That's very rare, and it may indicate something really significant is going on in Amanda's body. The main issue with you is if you have a physiologic disorder, it's from the stress of surgery.
Yeah.
Not from local,
Yeah.
not from general. It's the stress of the operation itself. That's what's going on with you. So, no more plastic surgery till that's figured out?
I can't promise that.
So,
I mean, she was literally in an ICU. It was dangerous for her life.
tell us about this.
I was about 19 years old when my face started changing. My eyes actually were swollen first. Then from 2010 to 2013, all of it just started going away.
When did breast implants fit into this process?
I got the surgery in 2009. And then in 2015, I just woke up one morning and my chest was hard. Just one side, and it hurt so bad.
Yeah. I have to downsize the implant and then figure out what to do with the skin so that the skin isn't loose with a smaller implant.
Okay.
But I think the more challenging situation is what Dr. Nassif has to deal with.
In simplest terms, Sculptra is a material you inject in the face, basically creating new collagen, which means more fullness. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
You deserve the best of the best, and we're going to try to bring you the best of the best situation, okay?
And
But
so
now-
maybe she took a fake doctor that really ruined her facial structure. It was not full, of course. It was obvious, and then they fixed it.
Now, my breasts are symmetrical. My face has regained its fullness. I look like myself again, and I feel great.
Right when I woke up, I could see that my sides were bigger than the wrapping, and then also had a deep line
Yeah,
in
we
the
saw
center.
that in the pictures.
But it's not even so much about having surgery to fix the outer anymore. I need this to kind of learn to love myself right now.
When you tighten the abdominal wall, you're squeezing off the veins. And when you do that, the chance of getting a blood clot is elevated. tummy tucks in men, they're even higher risk because there's a greater surface area and much more of a chance that there will be postoperative bleeding or postoperative fluid formation called a seroma. Do you want to do this?
I do. Thanks to Dr. Dubrow, I have shape without the shapers and all my loose skin is gone.
Wow. We might think that we are not that pretty enough. I mean, the standards is really pushing us that and telling us that we're not that perfect, we're not that good enough. So I think the best possible way would be just feel yourself, just have yourself, love yourself, because at the end of the day it's you who will love yourself, nobody else will do. Just the society is just telling you who you should be, but I think it's up to you to how you perceive the way you look to the world, not the world should look at you. Charing lang.